Everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another Toolbox Topic quick tip with my man Yoda. Let the force be your guide.
Hey everybody, okay, so removing the rear wheel in a mechanic stand for a quick release disc brake bike. Check this out. So right now, you can see that my chain is kind of high up on the cassette. What I want to do is start with the chain on my highest gear right here. This will make things easier when it's time to reinstall. So I'm going to dump this guy down. Chain is now set in my highest gear. And since it's in the stand, I can use my knees to support the bike a little bit. And then on this side, I have my cam lever. So if I undo the cam lever, let that dangle, and then remove a little bit of slack off the derailleur here, I push it back to get it out of the way. It will just fall out. Easy peasy, and that's how you do that.